Welcome back to another episode of Will It Sleep. This week we go to the gym. Now in the gym, things are sweaty, things are heavy, things are moving fast, and you want to be safe. So what do we have with us? We have some Bluetooth earbuds, we have a protein bar, we have some weights, and we have Yona with the pink gloves to help us do the tests. So as always, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet the towels. Alright, all yours.
So first of all, I will try out for the Bluetooth earbuds on a wet surface. You just roll. And next, now slip stop. It just stay. Next item I will try out will be a protein bar on a matte surface. And it just slip. Next, on a slip stop surface, it just stay. The next item I will try out will be the weight on a matte surface. You just fall. And now on a slip stop surface, you just stay.
So as always, leave your ideas for us as comments below, and we will see you in the next Will It Sleep.